Hello, my name is Antti Salli and I'm here with my colleague Thomas.
Yes, my name is Thomas Rosén and I'm a product manager at Prodal for our room controller families.
And we are here today with Thomas to discuss about the TRT family.
Yes, we have earlier episode discussed about the TRC.
Yes.
That is our normal room controller. But the TRT is a little bit different. It's more a thermostat controller.
So it's TRT stands for
Room thermostat, you can say.
okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
And it's working by one relay only as an output. And it's running the relay with an on-off signal to control a heater or a cooler or a floor heating, for example.
So it's a designed a little bit more simple applications than the TRC.
Absolutely. This can still be versatile. You can utilize some of the inputs for, you can have it as a changeover controller, and you can control the heating in the winter mode and cooling in the summer mode. So you can have double of functions on the relay outputs.
I have one TRT here, and if I'm looking, it's at least like the look like is very similar than the TRC.
Yeah. We have a little bit fewer options with the output since we only have one relay. But yeah, we have as standard, we have this blue colored ring in the middle that tells you if we are in the cooling mode or in heating mode. And we have the target set point in the middle. And also this small bubble can show the room temperature. And also with this TRT family, we can have additionally humidity option as a measurement. And you can cycle the humidity and the temperature in the small bubble.
Yeah, that's very interesting.
Yeah, and you change the set point by pressing the up and down arrows that you can see on the user interface.
Very similar way than what we have in TRC. And
yes, exactly. And also if you press this little sun symbol in the bottom screen, you can put it into make the screen darker.
Yeah, very convenient. Yeah.
You press anywhere on the screen. It
goes back to base again. Yeah. And I understand there is one difference to the TRC if we go here, this menu, like last time we have already seen that we had this cleaning icon. But then we have this kind of like a suitcase here.
Yeah, what's a suitcase for? If you want to bring your device with you on the airplane, maybe.
Or what is this? Let's see. If I push it.
It's actually an away timer. If you are leaving your house and you will not be there for several days, one day, and you don't want to heat up your house so much, you can enter how many days you will be gone for, up to 31 days.
Okay, I will choose. I will be 5 days away.
Yeah, on Mallorca or something. Yeah. And
nice.
now we have entered the frost protection mode. Like we have the 8-degree set point now. So if the temperature drops below 8 degrees, the controller will start warming up.
It will go back alive.
Yeah.
And if I come back home earlier than 5 days, I just come here and push the display and it will activate the...
Yeah, or you can press directly from main screen up on this small... Yeah,
exactly.
Either from behind there or from the main user interface. Yeah, and absolutely. And it's a very simple on-off controller for floor heating applications, heating application in general, or changeover application where you want to use heating or cooling in the different seasons.
Yes.
And it comes in two variants with the Modbus or BACnet. You can connect it to the BMS system also.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So from that point of view, very similar than the TRC, but like a little bit downgraded version of it. Yeah.
It's the same here also with the coloring. We can have the white or black version.
Yes.
And good to mention here also that it comes in two different voltage options.
Yeah, okay.
We have basic variant is with the 24 volt AC or DC power supply.
Yeah.
And for 230 volt application, we have the 230 volt power supply.
Okay, so it will work with the a higher voltages, 230 volt.
Yeah, exactly. You supply it with the 230 volts.
Yes.
And also the relay is specified on 230 volt and 7 amps on this device.
So you can control a little bit bigger load with this.
Exactly. like a good heater system, maybe it takes a couple
Yeah.
of watts that you can run.
Oh, that's very good.
Not just a couple of watts, but many more.
Yeah, exactly. Good. But I think like that's short introduction to the TRT.
Yeah, and it has the same option if you want to go into the configuration screen. You
Yeah.
press the small bubble, and
Yeah.
then you go into this maintenance mode, or you can press this maintenance code, and from there you can do the different settings.
So the way of going there is very similar than in the TRC. So
Absolutely.
So
yeah.
the menu structure on that area is very similar.
It can be some different functionalities between the devices, absolutely. And it's also available as a P model, where the P stands for a schedule with a calendar clock, 7-day clock calendar.
Okay, so you can like schedule your controls to this calendar.
Yes, exactly.
That's very practical use for that.
Yeah.
Good, but I think like that's the mainly of the TRT. I believe that this is the product you can hear more from our sales, and if anything comes to your mind, you can always contact our sales or the product management, and we will tell happily more about the TRT products.
Absolutely.
Good. I hope you enjoyed this very fast introduction of TRT, and we will see on the coming episodes.